Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can forward emails to another email. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for gmail.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Simply click on the settings icon at the top right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. Now, access the forwarding feature and click on the add a forwarding email. Now, add the address of the other email and click on the next button at the bottom right corner. Then, just click on OK. This will set up email forwarding from your Gmail account to the other email address you provided. Any new emails that come into your Gmail inbox will automatically be forwarded to the other email account. This can be really useful if you want to consolidate your emails or if you need to access your Gmail inbox from a different email address. It's a simple process that just takes a few clicks to set up. So that's basically how you can forward emails to another email. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.